In this video, we are going to see how we can reset the YouTube feed on our PC or on our laptop version. So once you open YouTube, you are going to see on the left hand side, we have a history. So basically what we are trying to do is we've switched the region to Canada of YouTube. If you don't know about that process, you can join the playlist link in the description. So we've already said that, but still we are getting the recommendations that we were used to watch these videos earlier. So we are still getting the same results. So what we do is just click on the history on the left hand corner. Now from here, what we are going to do is just click on manage all history. You can click on clear all watch history as well. First of all, let's clear all history. Click on manage all history now. And here you are going to see delete option. Click on this and click on delete for all time. And it is going to ask you that you are selecting the YouTube activity that will be deleted permanently. So if you're sure about that, just click on delete, click on got it. And also if you don't want the feed to be customized according to your YouTube history, what you can do is just click on saving your YouTube history. And let's say that if you don't want the YouTube to track your history, what you can do is just turn off the history recording. Just click on turn off because by default it is set to turn on. So click on turn off. Pause, but that's a choice. Even without this, you should be able to reset the YouTube feed on your PC. And this is how you can start the YouTube feed on a clean slate on your PC. As you can see, if we turn on the history, because it is not going to show us any result right now. So let's just try to search something. Let's actually search for one video. Make sure to search this in English so that it can refine the results for you. And now it has pretty much reset the history for you. Obviously, it still depends on the subscriptions you have because the subscribers here are going to affect on your search results. But that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.